आमचा महान भारत देश आमचा महान स्फूर्ती देते आमचे संविधान स्फूर्ती देते आमचे संविधान. Good morning everyone, respected principal, teachers, parents and all my dear friends. My name is Riyashi and I wish you all a very happy Republic Day. Today is 26 January and we are celebrating 77th Republic Day of our country. Republic Day is the national festival of India. Coming to force, the Constitution is the supreme law of India. We should respect our Constitution. We should understand the importance